Todd, anything else in regards to the journey getting executive buy-in and sponsorship at Clif Bar?
Yeah, I think along the lines of Bill and Alex, I think first it started with really demonstrating the value. And in some cases that was quantifiable. How many hours are we going to save? What's the dollar value of that? How much time are we going to save? What's the dollar value of that? Some of it's qualitative. How much is it worth to have better quality because of a single source of information? And I think the second area beyond value is demonstrating the passion for the capability. Not just from me and my belief in what it can bring for us as a future strategic direction, but also from those quick wins within teams that really adopted and found a passion around just how much better off they are by being able to unlock that data, spend most of their time analyzing and providing better information to the organization rather than assembling data. So the passion as well as the quantitative value.